Hi guys, welcome to TradeView. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and like my videos. So I am posting post-market and pre-market levels of Nifty and Bank Nifties. So if you not watched my previous day videos, please watch it and come back. So you can able to understand how the levels has been working on the respondent in the market. Okay, so how we are taking the entry and exits, and let me know if you have any suggestions or queries and your feedbacks on comments. Okay. So I already posted the post market video of Bank Nifty today. Please watch it and come back to this video. So as I said earlier, today will be the trending day. Okay, if you not watched the yesterday pre-market video, please watch it. So same thing happened today. It was a trending day today, like a bearish market. So once break on the levels, it was perfectly responded, but little bit volatility on the second half. So avoiding the trading on second half is good today. Okay, so coming to the topic, tomorrow pre-market analysis. Tomorrow is expiry day, like a monthly expiry day tomorrow. So we have to trade carefully. So as I'm saying earlier, on the first half, please wait for the good opportunity to trade. Don't enter blindly because tomorrow expiry day, it will the premium will be reduced drastically. Okay, so theta decay will happen. So if you got the trend and find the clear view, then go ahead, or else wait for the right trend until second half. Okay, we'll see if any good moves happen tomorrow. Expecting the uptrend tomorrow. We'll see if it happen because we cannot able to predict 100%. Okay, so market anything can happen in the market. We have to adapt and learn it from there. That's it. Okay, so watch it and wait for the clear view and importantly on second half if any uh, breakdowns or breakup in the levels, then go ahead for the trending market. Don't go opposite to the market always. That will wash out your capitals. May importantly on expiry days. Okay, don't blindly judge or accept the levels which are posting by me or anyone or any calls given in the any groups. Okay, analyze on your own strategies, own methodology. If you are accepted, agree with that, then go ahead. Everything on your own risk only because you are investing your capitals. Okay, so coming to the point, this is the levels for tomorrow for a long opportunity. If market opening in the same position or gap up, and wait for the clear trend. Once breaken this blue level around 40 131 kind of. Okay, once it's retracement here. Okay, if it is going up, then go with the trend for long opportunity. Okay, and close the position on previous day high. This is the previous day high. Hence, I have marked closing this box here. Okay, because this is a previous day high. I'm just showing you now. Just a minute. Okay, so this is the previous day high. So once previous day high reach, close your position or trailing your stop loss. Okay, if it is a good trend, it will go and you can get good profits. Okay, or else you come up with the better profits. That's it. Once it's broken, okay, once it's broken, then it will go uptrend further up to this level 47.90. Okay, so wait for the opportunity. If it is happen like similarly like this, then go with the trend. Okay, for this long position. Okay, and for the short position here under this blue levels, if it is opening like a, gap down or similar with the same levels here. Okay, you can scalp it here because it's not at that much risk reward will given. So if it is retracements or it's coming down, go with the short position up to previous day low. Okay, and then this level 39,842 this level. Better you can short up to previous day low and trailing your stop loss. Market can reverse from here. Okay, so if it is broken this one, then you can go ahead for this level 39,422. Okay, this is like a once the trending has been started, you have to go ahead. Okay, Don't blindly once breaking this level, don't take this position here, short or long. Okay, you have to wait for the clear trend. It is going in the up move or down. Okay, for the long position above this blue level, okay, 41.31, then go for long. Below this levels, if you are a scalper, just go ahead for the scalping up to previous day low and wait. Once it's breaken this level 39,842, then go short. Okay, because market can reverse from here. Once it's taken support, it will go reverse. You can do scalping also from here. If it is taken support and going for the up move, you can go with the scalping up to this level. Okay, so this is pre-market. So briefly, wait for the opportunity. Once, as per this analysis, the market uh, come with the setup, then go for the long position here and short position here. Okay, don't enter with the like a movement of candles with the green or the red. So it will reduce your premiums and also your capitals. Okay, so just control your emotions and wait for the trending view. Then go ahead with your own methodology, own analysis. Okay. I think this is for this is enough today. Okay, so trade carefully tomorrow. It's a expiry day. We'll see you on next video. Take care. Bye bye.